Hey everyone, Zach here from Nomac Built. We've been working with Wakeford Digital over the last 12 months now on a range of facets. We've had the team conduct some videography for us on our projects, complete the design and publication of our website, and helping us with our social media postings. What we really liked was Dom's staged approach. We started off with kind of easy to grab, low-hanging fruit, had a really good plan, executed well, and fundamentally created a lot of growth for the Nomac Built social media and website presence. We really needed a standout piece for all of our future clients to go to, so the website has really been that kind of cornerstone in our business. We've been able to direct all our customers to be able to see future projects, up and coming projects, projects in progress. So having that website platform has just been integral to our business. Something that was completely foreign to me until I met Dom was SEOs. Having the ability to rank our business higher in Google has been really fortunate for us, to now where our bathroom renovation Hobart package actually sits number 3 ranked on Google. Look, working with Dom and the Wakeford Digital team has been amazing. To be able to have such a tailored approach from Dom has been fantastic. His communication along the way about kind of key activity metrics, what we want to hit, what our priorities are, has been fantastic. From a website social media novice, to have someone like Dom and the team at Wakeford Digital has just been an absolute breath of fresh air. If you're looking for any digital marketing or web design work, I couldn't recommend Dom and the team at Wakeford Digital highly enough.